Hello students. So this question is from Operational Amplifier, JAM 2026, and a differential gain is given AD and two input voltages are given 120 microvolt and 80 microvolt. CMRR is given, common mode rejection ratio, and the output voltage V0 they have asked. So first is the difference between two inputs which are given. So VD, that is 120 microvolt minus 80 microvolt. So VD we got as 40 microvolt. And if I want to calculate the output is given by AD-VD plus ACM-VC. That means AD is your gain, differential gain, that is given to be 4000, and VD is the difference. So we have both numbers. And AC we have to calculate using this formula, that ACM is equal to AD by CMRR. AD is 4000, CMRR is 100. So this ACM is equal to 40. So now you have every number. V0 is equal to AD-VD plus ACM-VC. So you will get 164. So the important formula in this case is this, that common mode gain is equal to differential gain upon CMRR. So that is the most important thing for this question. Otherwise, other quantities you know. And also the common voltage calculation, one is differential, one is common. So the common voltage calculation is average of the given input voltages. Okay. So this question was from Operational Amplifier. Thank you so much.